everyone, Crafting Vicky here with you, and today I'm here to do something very, very different. I've got this lamp and I'm gonna put before, like right now, the picture of what it looked like, and so you can see that it had an ugly shade. It was green and it was plastic, so I removed the shades from the frame, and I decided that I would repaint the silver lamp with my naturally aged paint system, bare metal, from Tattered Angels. It comes in a set like this, and it's to make rusty metal, and I thought that would be super cool. And what's fun with this is that they give you instructions on which steps to follow. And so I did the lamp, and I couldn't do the lamp obviously on camera because of the fact that it's so big, but I figured I can do the shade. And for the shade, I was thinking I'm gonna do the shade like this, and then I'll just put I'm just gonna put a regular lamp bulb in it. I don't know why I'm searching for that word. And so that's all I'm gonna put in it, and I'm gonna leave it there. And I just think it's gonna give that industrial look. I don't know what it is with me right now, but I'm really into that look. The look of old phones and the old fans and all that sort of thing. I'm really, really into it. So and I think it's a fun way of doing something. And anyway, if I don't like it, eventually I can always paint over it, right? Because I mean, it's only paint, and that's the good thing. And what's good too is because this is old, there's already some age to this, so it's not like I'm starting from something that's totally new and spanking white and in perfect condition. So I'm just having fun, and it's rare that I do household items like that, but I really wanted to give a new look to that lamp, and it was really bugging me, and today I decided was the day where I would do this. And this is one of those lampshades that just screws on to the top where you put the light bulb. Okay, so that, and then you just spray it with the vintage pink. And I've got 2 bottles now because I love this stuff so much that I was going through it too fast, so I ordered another big bottle of the sheer and another bottle of the vintage, because I find that those are the colors in that system that you use the most. Okay, and when all of that is wet, you put on the pewter. And you're not supposed to put too much of it. And it's harder because the pewter is so dark that it's very easy to end up with a lot on your piece. I'm not talking a lot because I'm concentrating, trying to make sure I've covered everything with at least a bit. I kind of want somewhat uniform rusting effect. See everything. I really love that look. Okay, so I'm gonna dry it off just a bit. I had moved my heat gun to my other station where I was working on the lamp. So already it's giving it an old metal look. I really love how the top turned out. I'm not so happy with the bottom part, so I'm going to add more to that bottom part. There's still too much of the previous color that's showing through. It's starting to get there, but not quite as much as I want. The top I'm quite happy with, and I just need to put the camel after to highlight some of the other effects. I'm gonna put some more of that pink here and there. It's a messy process, but it's a fun one. Okay, and then I'm going to add some more of the dark pewter to this. dry this off. It's so easy because you just let the paint do its job. Okay, so while the bottom is drying, I'm gonna add some of the camo that I've put in my little container already. So you just had it here and there. I don't want to put too much, but it's basically that goldish color that appears when you have rust. Rusty. Put like I said, a little goes a long way because you're not supposed, you don't want to be covering the whole thing up. You just want to add a bit of this because not everything will turn the same color at the same time. Now I'm going to add a bit to the bottom. And now it's just a question of letting this dry, and once that is all done, I will put a light coat of spray varnish on it just to kind of protect the finish that I've done. And that is it. So I will be leaving at the end of the video the picture of the finished lamp, and hope you like it. I hope it inspires you to transform your own household items. Bye everyone!